We'll solve the equation 1/2 x minus 3/5 is equal to 2/5. I would like to first get the x term alone on the left-hand side of the equation, and since 3/5 is being subtracted from that term, if I add 3/5, I will eliminate the negative 3/5 on the left-hand side. If I add 3/5 on the left-hand side, I also need to add 3/5 on the right-hand side. So let's go ahead and do that. 1/2 x minus 3/5 plus 3/5 equals 2/5 plus 3/5. This sum is 0, so I have 1/2 x plus 0, or just 1/2 x on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, when I add 2/5 and 3/5, I get 5/5, or 1. Now I have a fraction multiplied times the variable x, and to eliminate that fraction, I'm going to multiply by its reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2, so if I multiply by 2 on the left-hand side, I'll have x alone, and I need to multiply by 2 on the right-hand side as well. 2 times 1/2 is 1, so I have 1x, or just x. 2 times 1 is 2. So we see that the solution of the equation is 2. The solution is 2.